Hi, my name is Saša Ćurčić, and on this Christmas I will show you how to pull a cracker. Okay, first point, dress cool, earring. Second point, nice aftershave. What is important? To smell nice. I think women's like very, very nice perfumes. Yeah. Wow! When you see a pretty lady, stay cool and wait for a golden moment, and that will come. Welcome. Now she can feel the magic. Hi, my name is Saša. But it does help if you own the club. Now it's time for you to show some skill on dancing floor and to close the deal, baby.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away.
Wow!
This year to save me from tears.
You can always impress her with backwards dancing. And don't forget your Georgie juice.
Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year on the wings of love.
When you come to the slow dance and late night, you can whisper something romantic on her ear, but I cannot say that on the camera. And now it's time to take her to a nice penthouse on the river for a nice nightcap. And that's how to pull the cracker.